Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for hands-on insights into today's top-rated products. In this video, we're diving into what many consider the best above-ground pool kit, the Intex 26723EH Prism Frame Premium Pool Set, sized at 15 feet in diameter and 42 inches deep. This pool is more than just a splash zone. It's a full summer-ready kit designed for ease, durability, and serious fun. Let's start with what you get out of the box. The set includes the 15-foot by 42-inch pool, a 1000 GPH cartridge filter pump, a removable ladder, a pool cover, and a ground cloth. Everything you need is packed in, so you're not running around grabbing extras to get started. Just find level ground, roll out the included ground cloth, and follow the step-by-step setup using the powder-coated steel frame and T-joint system. It's intuitive, it's quick, and the parts fit together with minimal effort. Now about that frame. The Prism frame series is known for strength, and this model steps it up with powder-coated steel tubing. That's added protection against rust, and a composite T-joint design. These joints do more than connect the frame. They form a watertight seal and resist UV damage, giving the structure serious longevity. The included 1000 GPH crystal clear cartridge filter pump uses hydro-aeration technology. That means better circulation, clearer water, and even enhanced water quality through increased negative ions. You'll notice the difference in clarity after just a few hours of running the system. Now let's talk size and capacity. With a 15-foot diameter and 42-inch depth, this round pool holds up to 3,861 gallons of water. That's spacious enough for families, parties, or just stretching out on a hot afternoon. It's designed to resist punctures and stand up to the elements. And in case anything happens, Intex includes a repair patch for quick fixes. The removable ladder makes getting in and out simple, especially for kids, and the included pool cover helps keep debris out when not in use. Combined with the ground cloth, you're looking at added protection for both the liner and the water inside. As for voltage, the pump runs on 115 volts, standard for the US, so international buyers will need to check compatibility or use a converter. So to sum it up, this Intex Prism frame pool set is a comprehensive, well-engineered kit that offers real value for summer fun. Easy setup, reliable filtration, durable construction, and all the essentials in one package. It's no surprise this one's a top seller. If you're looking for a backyard upgrade that doesn't break the bank but still delivers, this is it. That's it for today's deep dive from Product Critique. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you out. We'll be back with more real reviews, right here, next time.